Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get SJW Vanguard Av step by step. Start by verifying your account access and ensuring you meet all prerequisites, including inventory slots and currency balance. Next, locate the quest or vendor that awards the Vanguard Av and confirm any faction or reputation requirements. Keep a checklist to track items and steps, and pause when you need to confirm progress before continuing the next action. Start by checking the exact reputation or rank needed to unlock the Vanguard Av, and note any reputation boosts you can use. Collect necessary materials and currency, and set aside the required inventory space to prevent loss. If there are timed events or limited windows, mark them on your calendar so you do not miss opportunities. Prepare any consumables that quicken the process, and coordinate with friends if group actions are needed. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and keep updates coming. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty and enjoy comfortable, reliable gear while you grind or game. I connect practical gear to long sessions for a reason, and you can find that sock link plus other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Begin the step-by-step sequence by activating the quest or visiting the vendor that initiates the Vanguard Av acquisition, and follow each objective in order. Complete any challenges, events, or crafting steps exactly as required, and verify each reward screen before leaving to avoid missing the item. Use quick travel or shortcuts to reduce wasted time, and communicate with teammates if cooperative tasks are involved so you finish efficiently and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.